Welcome to Flirty Fridays. The age-old question, how to get a boyfriend? Well, number one, if you're not online dating, you're probably not meeting many guys. There are three main ways that I believe are healthy and a great way to meet a guy. Number one, get online, at least one dating website. I recommend 2 or 3 dating websites, but I would start with Match.com. And some people say, well, it's not safe. I don't know this man. He could be, a really bad guy and I wouldn't have any idea. Well, there are different ways to go about doing this. You can go to the dating website, you can communicate with men, and if you meet for coffee, meet in a crowded Starbucks, something like that. And I'm sure you understand all of this, but make sure that if you do go on a third or fourth date with him, that you do a background check, a criminal check, and also a credit check. You want to make sure that this person is not financially in a lot of trouble. And you want to make sure that this person has not had anything on his record that would be frightening. There are ways to go about finding a really good guy online. If you met someone in the grocery store, you wouldn't know any more about them than you would online. So don't be afraid of online dating. I know I was. I put it off for months and months, and I just wasn't willing to go there. But once I did, I really had a good time. Sometimes I got tired of it and I had to just hide my profile, take a little bit of time, back off, and then get back on the dating website. So this is really common. It happens to everybody. The second way, of course, is to tell your friends and family, I'd really like to meet someone. If you run into someone or you know someone or someone has a brother or an uncle, I would love to meet them. Be open and willing and let other people know that you're open and willing. And of course, the third way is get yourself out there, whether it's a house party, a neighborhood party, a really nice restaurant that has a group of people that meet together for happy hour. Go to a coffee shop, go to a golf course and putt. Learn new skills, new things that you maybe have never had an interest in doing before. Join like an investment club. Go to meetup.com and join a hiking club. Something that's active. Men are really attracted to women who stay active and are physically fit. And when they're doing an activity with a woman, they have a different resolve and a different experience with them versus sitting across the table and having coffee or having dinner. A physical activity gives men more, their memory, it just sticks with them a little bit more because their adrenaline is kicked in a little bit more. So these are 3 tips for how do I get a boyfriend? So if this was useful to you, I invite you to share this and to like it. And as always, find the love in everyone you meet and keep on flirting.